Okay, good afternoon and good morning to everyone who is online for this webinar. So I'm Dr. Karthikeyan, one of the key members from Pyro Asia Forum and also the Regional Technical Manager for Frontier Laboratories, Japan, and based in Singapore. So today I'm the moderator for the webinar. So I will do a short introduction about the Pyro Asia Forum, also the Frontier Lab. Then I will introduce the speakers briefly. Then we will move on to the technical session. Okay, so let me share my screen first. Okay, Prof Kalpit, I hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes,
Yeah,
Karthik.
yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah, okay, dear participants, so let's get started. So let me briefly introduce about this Pyro Asia Forum, which was actually started back in 2019, okay, with a name to connect the pyrolysis community of this the in the Asian region, okay. So, but we even wish to extend it further. Okay, so it was started with few members back in 2019 and the community is slowly growing. Our first annual meeting was held at IIT Madras, so this is what you are seeing. Then this members plan to meet every year. Okay, and we rotate the venue like across the Southeast Asia and also other Asian countries. Now even we are hoping to do sometime in Asia Pacific, okay, like Oceania, like Australia and New Zealand also. Okay, so in the view of expanding our network and also keep some regular activity, we have started this bi-monthly webinar where one time we will be inviting speakers, experts to share about their work on this analytical pyrolysis domain. So other time it will be on applied pyrolysis. Okay, so we started very recently. This is the second webinar. So last time we did a webinar on analytical pyrolysis where we focused on the microplastics. So this time it is on applied pyrolysis and mainly Professor Kalpit will be the speaker, which I will introduce in subsequent slide. And we also have a supplementary talk on pyrolysis GCMS by another guest speaker from Malaysia. Okay, so as this forum is very new, we have limited resource. So Frontier Lab is one of the industry who is actually kind enough to support the Pyro Asia Forum activities. So we have volunteered to organize this webinar, this bi-monthly webinar. So we also take this opportunity to introduce the Frontier Laboratories for the audience who may not know about Frontier Lab much. Okay, so Frontier Laboratories is a Japanese organization located in Koriyama, and we are actually entering our 34th year by now, I should say. And we are the key player in this analytical pyrolysis technology, and we make this. Excuse me. Yeah, we have pyrolyzer, which is actually a multi-shot pyrolyzer, which is useful for material characterization as well as for these biomass catalytic pyrolysis studies. And we also have a micro reactor, which is very much useful for this thermocatalytic conversion of biomass and waste plastics. To supplement these different tests, we also have unique metal alloy capillary column and few other accessories. So please feel free to visit our website for more details about this Frontier Laboratories. Okay, and as I mentioned, this forum try to meet once in a year in one of the kind of country where we all assemble and share about the recent developments, also the key research findings. So for 2025, the symposium will take place in Bangkok, hosted by Professor Chanatip Samat, okay, who is actually faculty at Thammasat University. Is also the director of this bioenergy and catalysis. So we have an international committee to support this activity. So few I have listed. So later, one of the local organizing committee member, Dr. Jain from Thammasat University, will give little more details about this conference. I encourage or like welcome all the participants who are online today to consider joining this forum. Also present your work on this biochar or other pyrolysis related work. So, okay, today we are all here just to listen the research journey of Professor Kalpit, who has been working in this biosolids for more than a decade. So today he will be sharing about his research journey, a journey that based on his work in Australia. So after his talk, we will have one more talk by Dr. Siti, by Yusoff, who is actually a faculty at University of Science Malaysia, and she'll be talking about the catalytic pyrolysis GCMS application. Okay, so without further ado, let me pass on to Professor Kalpit to share his research. Okay, Professor Kalpit, yeah, I will invite you to share your screen.